Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
For any asher for me, my obibia carba strong for the back to my GH any day. When you about mercy, can I then semi circulate to my moon ever so for any election near a course. So before election, any even after election, any declaration is the two general. BP say, yeah, a manual NDC. Now with their woman Jim to a flag bearer. I name former President John Dramani Mahama. Any betu and running in declare election po. Say any support and the cheat for one their boy see one deal see one thing suprum now one geo when yes and sabana NDC. Amano kwana or my fanity for no chin pono. Na say easy back out any betu confirm ye declare yes abano is excellence nanadu down our year flag bearer for a year MPP amanokono one no fa abano enumpono anye a year and this amanokoni day a year flag bearer for NDC or no adi betu just say abani dear a year na still fa abano and this amanokoni with the year MPP even though say easy Eddie Ababetu and I knew it, press conference, do draw na be PMT, a Manchester support the cheat for no. One would demonstrate it. One hour you want more power, one hour won't Bundia, and now a year member of parliament, a year for NDC, Amano Kono, one was some of the Betuja, lawyer Sammy James Samo, and a general secretary, a CEDU Ketia, any flag bearer and Ankasa, and some of the Indian archers, and this Amano Kono, a year resorter. A beto jana so for the man is serious as one say and come shall one with the buy and you one two a year and this amano quality dear munani pascal na uncle bemunini na omuna returns in somewhat one more can come and say their view a year abanubiani bimu in sinti as one say do na ama a year ya jd say yeah abanubiani bimu Danny Dana almost demonstrate. Next year for any name mono. I want sema abe PMO. A year former president. A year John Dramani Mahama. A year flag bearer for any Samanu Quates or Muna. I don't want the upon want to us almost support a result a beto jano. And what some of the abetuja. Oko PMO ewo asafua. A year assemblies of God. Na Nigeria Lodina Mahama Ekam. Na the running mate Professor Nana Jane Opoku and so welcome be a picture no a screen with one not just a na enwechi no aye papa wo no mama bibie mu se nyoma nkoye wo na afa na neni nje ni bibi nkoso osa everything ni ye wo ni page so e wo mira wo call fellowship ni wie ye na eni ni sa sorry fie de wo kwansa kire ebem ni anya me de nsa e kan na eno na ga na potu say bi anya me de nsa kan na kuma anya me kan bibi gu na sum na eno na ma ye papa e dey say mo beto ni Facebook page therefore say no kan wo ni Facebook page Okoti a quotation Proverbs chapter 16 verse 20. Now and one soon ekenye he that handles a matter wisely shall find good, and whoever trusts in the Lord, happy is he. And therefore, and now papa the revelations I have been making earlier on. Say result you won't support it. Now a year prophecy say by na ninjini na whatsapp out on Facebook page. Now what the a year Proverbs 16:20 abetua and ya can say and ya wono a year say assembly tono bibiba na pono so na what the nyansan to na wo ateno wono and I just say and ninjidi one yamimu no so na nije na eno na ye nyan kakra Ghana phone bi kasa say ye papa ye nyo no na be gina wo e wo man yi mu say eya abatu aye 2 ye yisi wanye accurate just when di no kware ni kwan die bi ankomu ama eye ndis ama no kono maninji na no clarify no say they will get to the bottom of this declaration result ebeto ja na wasa dia babetu ja say na che say dream na atesa when you change of mind say see person dey asundwe eye adwuma na eti Ghana for say na asem a wo dey abetu gya no no na da na koma so dey ene nka nyame nhira no nyame ma ne kwatenten na nka repemu no nyame nfa ne besi akonya ne so na ebi nso say wonja nya wo ye no se ne wo kasa se ne be ti se ne anya basa ye demonstration do na ekoto no woni mu hwe esan say wo no na wo hye ase na wanji antum no be declare amagana for so dudu na le chitai for no aso mo bo dewuro mu dede etesi ano de betu ju ati se ne wo pass nje ne trust wo nyame mo no na che se ne nije no onja se wo yes an no san dudu no su se we de aso pese wo dada wo ne still wo dada wo mo na che se nia ono pese esi no esi wi abaka se da bi woni mu ho hwe na tie for se na titie bia ebi nso support ex president John Dramani Mahama se wakase yie mo ne kasa ene na kuma ato niyem na wonja ya ba no na se na titie bia Ghana for ye na yetimu bi na tie for wo hwe se ne di kan election result yi ba out na former president ne se betu ja ne the chitai for do na press conference do na course so na mo no asa be quotation we chire Ghana for say sesi ano ye for peace and ne ti ase nyina ekoma nyame no wa dwen chire wo ho anything say na tie bia ja wa dwen chire drop it our your comment section wo fama ye afa what subscribe ya tomorrow na subscribe say na be too much if you dey kase ni jumedie bia tomorrow once on sabe to me akabi no way to me actually wa na like share the promote channel when they so mercy cow and I'm thinking we ebe soon na be family dey say mercy cow e won jume ko a wo mo so ya say mama Juliet Ventures oba o pese o kitchen e wo ye ni kana wura wa we pray na nko serious shade dia Mama Juliet na man obebu ama o kitchen chese wura wa won che after long master man within 24 hours ni ya ne say who affordability na government worker e wo Ghana mo rate so dey da from kra for long master na man obebu ama when ya urgent money for urgent project it for minimum ABC adasne ye besan ehia makwa